let's look at naming organic compounds. So when we name organic compounds, we've got three things we're going to be looking at for a start. The first, we're going to look at how many carbons there are in the longest chain. This is called the parent chain, and we have what's called the parent name for that. We're also going to, at the bottom here, we have a table, and we use the table to find the prefix for the parent name. If there are 4 carbons in a chain, then the start of the name will be bute. Secondly, what we do is we look to see if there are any special groups or functional groups in the parent chain, and if there is, that will determine its suffix of the parent chain. So if there was a double bond carbon in the parent chain here, it would have a suffix of -ing. Okay, so and the last thing we need to look at is, are there any substituents or any groups or atoms that are coming off the chain, and we'll number those appropriately if we do. Let's have a look at a few examples. So the first one here is this molecule, and if we want to name this molecule for the parent name, we need both the prefix, the start, and the suffix, the end. So the first thing we note is there are 8 carbons in a row. So if we go to the table at the bottom, we can see that 8 has the associated prefix oct. So the start of this parent name is going to be oct. And because here the only type of bond that it has is a carbon-carbon bond, this one here, its suffix is going to be -ane. So this molecule is going to be called octane. We don't have any other functional groups coming off apart. There's no atoms attached apart from hydrogens, so this is its name in full. Let's look at the next molecule. Okay, so if we look at this molecule, what do you think its name is? How many carbons does it have? What's its prefix? And what is its suffix? So, of course, this has 2 carbons. Its prefix is eth, and it only has carbon-carbon bonds, so it is -ane. So its name is ethane. The next one. What do you think this name would be? Okay, 5 carbons. It's going to be pent, and it only has carbon-carbon bonds, so it's going to be pentane. And the last one we look at here, okay, this is a wee bit different, this one. We have a group here, a functional group coming off, and it's called a methyl group. Now, it's not going to change the name of the suffix, so if you look at the table on the right, there is no suffix associated with this, but the parent name is going to be 3 carbons in a row, which is prop, and it only has carbon-carbon bonds in the main chain here, so it's propane. But we also have to deal with this group coming off, and this is a methyl group, so this is going to be called propane as its parent name, but it's going to have its group coming off, its substituent, called methyl propane. And that's how we name these introductory organic molecules, or the more simple ones. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully this has made you more confident with your chemistry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or leave a comment about anything that you want to with this video or any questions you have. I'll see you later.